हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आउट ऑफ बॉक्स विद अनिल पांडे। और आज मैं आपको फिर से गोदरेज की तरफ न्यू लॉन्च है, एयरपोर्ट रोड, काफ़ी प्राइम लोकेशन है, वो मैं आप तक लेके आया हूँ। सो काइंडली गो थ्रू, डोंट स्किप द वीडियो। और जिन लोगों को फ्लैट की ज़रूरत है इस लोकेशन पे, जिनको फ्लैट चाहिए नियर बाई एयरपोर्ट, सो इट इज़ वेरी वाइटल इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर देम। So upcoming new launch by Godrej Properties near airport, before airport toll plaza, and that area is called setting area. So you can see the connectivity wise, it is from Hebbal, you can have very much connectivity, then Yelahanka Air Force Station, and then surrounded by so many reputed hospitals, shopping mall, colleges, and then metro connectivity in future it is coming there, because that is airport. So all this about this project I will just talk about this Godrej, which is a new launch at setting area. So it is a total land parcel of 62 acres of mega township project, contains near about 2,000 units with 2 BHK, 3 BHK in different configuration. So with world class amenities, upcoming forum mall, some specific feature I am just saying you. Upcoming forum mall is just 1.5 kilometer. Bellary National Highway is just again 1.5 kilometer. Upcoming metro station is just 1.5 kilometer, and Bangalore International Airport from this project is only 6 kilometer. So as I told, the sizes of the flats varies from 2 BHK 1200 square feet and 3 BHK plus 2 bathroom, that is 1500 square feet, 3 BHK plus 3 bathroom 1800 square. So let us know more features about this project. As I narrated, this is Godrej brand, and Godrej is known brand in pan India, have pan India image, and have so many projects they have finished in Bangalore. So it is a good brand, where your invested money can grow, and the luxury of the living life, or whether you take it for your own purpose, for living or for growth, it gives opportunities to both the side. Now, what are other information is with this? As I told, it is 2 and 3 BHK apartment. Total land parcel is 60 plus acres of parcel of land. In first phase they are launching near about 19 acre of the project, and in that 80% is green area, which is having, because 80% when green area is there, then you may get a UDS, undivided share of that project. You can get a good amount of UDS, which also varies along with your carpet area is having, because you are using carpet area for your own living, but UDS is also important. So as for this information given, you may get a good amount of UDS in that. Still, what the UDS area, I don't know at present, but I assume when 80% of any of the project is open area, then you can get UDS also a much amount when you are, purchasing or buying that flat in that project. So other configuration, the price start from 2 BHK 99 lakh onward as present, because price change in Bangalore week to week basis. So it is a pre-launch information which I am giving you. As total area, as just I told you, 19 acres. It is nearby the airport, and then B plus G plus 14 structure they are building up, means basement plus ground floor plus 14 high-rise floor only. Maybe because it is nearby to airport, that's why high-rise above the 14 might be not given by RERA. So it is only 14 floor high-rise apartment. And also one specific thing is this: 4 units per floor. Only 4 units per floor, and out of that 3 lifts they are providing, 2 for occupants and 1 for service lift. So these are the information which I just given you. And as you know, the Godrej Settigere on exceptional residential development. It is a part of 62 acres planned of land, and offering a blend of modern luxury and unbeatable connectivity. Connectivity wise, you can say, because it is connected to Hebbal, it is connected to Manata Tech Park, so IT hubs also surrounding, and now the more features is there. Whatever the IT companies are there, you can say some IT company have opened their offices nearby airport, so that to avoid the traffic of the, because Bangalore traffic, everybody knows the Bangalore traffic is, so now the maximum companies are shifting towards airport, and some of the company have started working, is being operational there, they are operating, and some of the bigger companies also having the space, and their infrastructure is also building there. As soon as that a commercial space or IT space is completed, then more IT offices will be there. So I mean to say, the job opportunity, those who IT professionals are there, for them also the connectivity wise, because now real estate concept is also changing. They are just because of the Bangalore traffic, they are just opening their companies offices nearby airport. So because that gives their business a growth, because connectivity for any business provide higher growth. So this area, you can say, for growth point of view is very much on the excellent location, and then high speed, as just I told you, elevators are there, and 5 clubhouse they are making, total 1.5 lakh square feet clubhouse area. So you can understand what the type of infrastructure they are making. 2 Olympic size swimming pool, full swimming pool they are making, and then their architecture, this is being done by Hafiz contractor. Hafiz is known construction company which just take the Godrej construction. So Hafiz construction is well known construction company, and total number of unit, as I told you, as a whole, first phase they are bringing 1900, but total units will come near about 3900 in the 62 acres of land parcel. Phase 1, as I told you, 19 acres only, with 8 towers and 1950 premium units, which consist of 2 and 3 BHK. Featuring a fully equipped clubhouse, state-of-the-art gymnasium, surrounded by lush green, 80% just I told you green area, and which you can say anticipated a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury with Godrej Settigere Bangalore. So I meant to say, when project is under pre-launch, it gives a growth to buyers. Whether you take for your growth point of view, as 2 BHK start from 99 lakh onward, so in future you can, and that also area is near about 1200 square feet, so you can assume the prices is still within 7 to 8,000 square feet. When the launch is in process, after 2 or 3 years, for your growth point of view also, it may cross 10,000. So for as real estate, it is booming all over, not only in Bangalore, all over the place. So it is a good opportunity for the buyers to look out for their investment also, if they want to do, and also for their, as Bangalore is a IT city where lakhs of the people annually come here and take the job. Then naturally the house demand, as the demand is more, the real estate price is shooting. So for this purpose, as it is a new launch, so I thought I should bring this information or this project information to my viewers. So whoever is interested, they can reach, they can analyze, they can check out their budget, and if it is feasible to them with all the legality, then they can go ahead with the as per, and it is also a renowned builder, pan India image they are having. So whatever the money you are investing in the Godrej project, I think it is a safe, so you can invest in that. Ultimately, the decision is of buyers. It is not my video. While listening, you should book. You should check all the legality before buying, which I always say in my all the video. So yes, I brought this information of pre-launch of the Godrej at Satigere. So how you like my this video? Let me know, and also it is my request to just subscribe my channel and press bell icon, and also kindly share this information to the needy people who need the house for, and it is one of the in excellent location. You can just also share to your contact people so that they also can be updated with this. Thank you again for watching my video on my channel. We will meet again with a new pre-launch in Bangalore.